Xiaomi recently launched the Mi Powerbank 2i, which comes with dual USB ports and can charge two devices at the same time. The 10,000 mAh Powerbank 2i has an actual output capacity of 6500 mAh. This also supports Quick Charge 3.0 when you're charging using single USB port only. So hey guys, AP here. You are watching TecknoKing, and once again I'm back with a new video. And in this video, I will be doing a small unboxing of the Mi Powerbank 2i. So guys, without any further delay, let's begin. So first of all, let's have a look on the box. On the front side, you can see the powerbank itself. Here, you can see 10,000 mAh Mi Powerbank 2i is written. And since this is an Indian product, so you will see the Made in India tag also. At the back side of the box, we have got the authentication code of this product and few more other details about the powerbank. So now, without wasting any further time, let's open up the box. Inside the box, you will get a small data cable to connect your power bank with your phone. It's a USB to micro USB cable. It's not much bigger, it's very small inside, just to connect your phone with the power bank. Now let's take out the power bank, and here we go. The power bank is bluish in color. It's very slim, looks good, it's not much heavy. On the front side we have the Mi branding. In the bottom side we have some other information about the power bank. Now here's the top part. Let's peel the sticker off. Extreme right side we have the switch. Then the extreme left side we have two USB ports for output, and in between there's one micro USB port for charging the power bank. And lastly, just below it, there's one LED indicator which shows the amount of juice left in the power bank. So guys, overall it is a very good and budget friendly power bank. It's small, compact, sleek, and it easily fits in our hand. It's very handy. The curves on both the sides makes it easier to hold in our hands. So guys, there's one low power mode also, which will produce low output for charging low power devices like the Mi Band, which requires very less amount of current. Now quickly let's connect the power bank to my phone and let's check whether it's charging or not. So here you can see that my phone is charging, and since it supports quick charging, it's charging my phone quickly. I purchased this from mi.com, and as always the best buy links will be provided in the description box below. So if you are interested in buying it, then you can go ahead and check the product from the description below. So guys, that's all in this video. If you have any questions regarding this video, then do let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, then do not forget to hit the like button. And if you are new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and also hit the notification bell next to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till that, take care.